One Man Show. You are watching the One Man Show. Ooh, One Man Show.
Guess what? One man! One Man Show. Ooh. It's the One Man Show. Here we are again, walking in the countryside. By the left! So, I've had an interesting couple of days. Why have I had an interesting couple of days? Well, coming back from Newquay last week, my bloody car broke down. Found out it's the air conditioning unit. But I suppose the good bit is I didn't even know it had one. Oh God. Air condition, well, mustn't have been working anyhow. So we can bypass that by putting a shorter belt on. The car's only been in the garage 4 days. 4 frigging days to get a bloody belt put on. Anyhow, then a cat's arse trophy came around the corner. Or for want of a better phrase, wonder what a phrase is. Is that the same as a phrase? I hope so. This bloody road is like a goddamn bloody motorway. Ah! Anyhow, my cat's arse trophy. My bike went bang. Got my leg over Beyonce. Went to start her up. Boom! Well, it wasn't a boom, it was a poof! Or a pop! I thought, I don't believe this. So I tried to start and tried to start and tried to start. I even tried to start one more time. Because the philosophy of life is never give up. But she wouldn't have it. So the ambulance turned up to take Beyonce away yesterday morning. And I don't know what's wrong yet. Whether she needs a bypass, new heart, kidney transplant. I haven't got a clue. Hopefully I'll find out today. At least I bloody hope so. But I'm stuck. I'm bloody stuck. No transport, living in the middle of nowhere. My brother came down to get us yesterday because we went off to take photographs. Bless him. But there's a story there as well. His kid's mother, and the less said about her the better, hasn't seen them for a fortnight. Supposed to get dropped off tonight. Oh no, I'm going out. Just because she's got a fancy man. Apparently, he's an RSM. Well, I have shit RSMs. Ask Kingswood. So they might end up with me tonight. The horror monsters. Oh God. Actually, they're no trouble at all. And I think I'm quite looking forward to it. Because they can help me spring clean the house. So what else is happening? Sod all! Bloody sod all! God, I've never felt so, let me choose this word correctly, twatting pissed off. Ah, that'll do. As I do right now. With having no car, no bike. Couldn't give a rat's ass about the car actually. But I could about my bike. Do you know what I mean? It's one of those things which you don't realise you're gonna miss until it's gone. Van coming around the corner. Take cover! That was awfully nice of that truck. Waited for me to get up the little hill. In fact, he stopped. What a nice man. I never realised I would lose. Nah. Rewind. Never realised just how much I'd missed my bike. Anyhow, where are we at? Well, the third issue of MotorBike Rider Magazine is starting to formulate. Got some very interesting articles going to be featured in that. One that's going to take you totally by surprise. Ha 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 ha! Oh yes! It's based on a magazine by a man named Lear. And I need a job, so I want to be a motorbike rider. Motorbike rider. Motorbike rider. Motorbike rider. And I bet you sing that for the rest of the day. Motorbike rider. Motorbike rider. Oh, dear me. But I can feel an adventure coming on. You know, one of those real adventures. Well, not round the world. I mean, how would I get me bagged? Huh. And if I don't have a bag, I'll have a little to shit in. That could be interesting down your trouser leg, couldn't it? Oh. So, that's where we're at. Interesting times ahead, me thinks. In fact, me doesn't think, me bloody knows. I think me bank account's going to take a pounding. And then I've got films to produce, areas to film, people to see, people who've never met me yet are going to meet me. Life is a great adventure. That's all it is. It's an adventure. And every single adventure that you will ever hear about, read about, watch, or even listen to has its ups and downs. And my thought for the day is life will beat you to your knees if you let it. And it will keep you there if you let it. Life isn't about how hard you get hit. It's how hard you hit back. It's not how many times you fall. It's how many times you get back up. Because life has barriers. And it wants to know just how much you want what you want. Is your dream strong enough? Is your desire strong enough? Because it isn't really you. This pitiful person on the knees. Get back up. Give it a bloody good right hook. Look it in the face and tell it to sod off. Because the demons only appear when you have periods of doubt. And they're waiting for you. Don't let the bastards in. Because that ain't you. You're better than that. So as I reach my hill, until the next time, bye-bye for now. P.S. Have I ever shown you the countryside? I think I have. That I walk round in. Here you go. Bloody awful, isn't it? Over there, that's the Cleveland Hills. That's where the lightweight walk was. Over there, right in the distance, that's the Yorkshire Dales. Bloody terrible, isn't it? Some days I don't know how I cope. Anyhow, bugger off and get some work done. Bye-bye.
One Man Show. You are watching the One Man Show. Ooh, One Man Show.